let's go to admob.com. You can see admob.google.com. So after that you click on sign in. So on this play you create new app. So click from the menu, you can see apps, add new app. Now have you published your app on Play Store? So no. Now what's the name of the app I want to do? So let me call it Samara Bot. Okay, and after that is it Android? So it is Android. After that you click on add. You can see create ad unit. So we click on this place. I want to create banner, so that's the first one I want to do. So what is the name? Just give it any name. Let me just write first one, line first, then create it. Now after creating, you can see the second ID we have here. Copy it. Good. So that is the one you provide also. So click on add done. Then we go for this. What we have done. This is the one we have done. So click on add unit again. We have already done this one. We go for the second one here. So click on select any name you like and just give it. Then you click on create. Good. Now this is what we need. So copy this one,